A word a day for you. Today's word is extraneous. Extraneous. Adjective. Irrelevant or unrelated to the subject being dealt with. Of external origin. Separate from the object to which it is attached. Origin mid-17th century. From Latin extraneus plus us. Her job includes sifting through extraneous amounts of paperwork. Can you use today's word in a sentence? Leave us a comment below. It may be featured in a future video. Connect with us. Join us on Facebook. Tweet with us. Check out our blog. And thanks for watching.